So all plastics are the same. Plastic is plastic, right? Wrong. That's like saying mustard and ketchup are the same. Please. Of the 7 different plastic types, LDPE is marked with a 4. LDPE is short for low density polyethylene. Guess what HDPE and MDPE stand for? Yep, high and medium. I am going to show you the difference between high, medium, and low density polyethylene with a basic squeeze me test. See? HDPE is not very squeezable. MDPE is medium squeezy, and LDPE is the squeeziest of them all. LDPE is squeezy, but also incredibly flexible and tough, almost to the point of being unbreakable. LDPE holds its own shape. That's why it's ideal for products that need a good squeeze. Container and Packaging Supply has a large selection of LDPE containers. You can use LDPE containers for sauces, lotions, creams, spreads, honey, eye drops, contact lens solution, shampoos, and conditioners. It can also be translucent, or natural as we call it in the biz, colored and opaque. LDPE is used in a lot of different kinds of common household products. Bags for bread, dry cleaning, fresh produce, and trash cans are made of LDPE. It can also be used as a coating for paper milk cartons and some hot-cold beverage cups. Shipping envelopes and outdoor lumber are also made of LDPE. LDPE, MDPE, and HDPE are all polyethylene, which is the most widely used plastic. Low, medium, and high-density polyethylene are commonly recycled in many communities.